In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can delete your YouTube channel permanently. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. But the first thing that you're going to want to do is actually open up YouTube and go to the top right corner and select your profile icon and just make sure that the correct channel is selected. You can hit switch account if you need to and just switch to whatever one. Next though, on this menu, you're going to want to scroll down and select settings, and on the settings page, if you go to this left hand section, you're going to see a bunch of different options. Go ahead and select advanced settings. Now at the bottom, you're going to see a delete channel option. Go ahead and select delete channel. You'll be asked to sign into your Google account for security. Go ahead and make sure you do that. And then you're going to want to select, I want to permanently delete my content, and tick these two boxes and then hit delete my account. Now, obviously, I'm not going to do this because it's going to make sure that my channel would be completely gone. But this is what you're going to want to do if you want to completely remove your channel. Just remember though, this is permanent and there's no way to get it back. But yeah, I'm going to wrap this video up here. If you did have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.